All right, so this is the 4-year ownership review and cost to own for the F-150 Ecoboost and the Silverado 1500. So these trucks, like a lot of trucks, spend most of their time on pavement, but also gravel roads, construction sites, some farm use, and we've definitely got our money's worth, and we both recommend them. So I think it's mostly up to your preference. Ford versus the Chevy, the V6 versus the V8. So if you saw my last video comparing these two trucks, I talked about the Duratrax versus the RTs and how the Duratrax have lasted a little bit longer. In fact, I'm doing a review on the Duratrax coming out soon with 90,000 kilometers on them. But this is my brother's truck, and he spent a lot of time hunting, dirt biking, that kind of stuff, and the truck's been perfect for that. So I think we both got exactly what we were looking for, and we would both recommend our trucks. So neither of us have had much for mechanical issues. I replaced some oxygen sensors on mine, but nothing major. So I spent about $1,300 on the Duratrax, $1,200 on the Arctic Claw winter tires, about $600 on front suspension, roughly $200 on the HID replacement, a bunch of oil changes, didn't really keep track, and then miscellaneous stuff, honestly don't know. Alright, so we're going to do a comparison, our cost to own for the Silverado and the Ecoboost. We've had them about 4 years now. So you can see the original MSRP, the purchase price that we got them for, what we spent on oil, tires, all that kind of maintenance. Rough estimate of the fuel that we've put in, the depreciation, the resale value, and the cost to own. So you can see the importance of fuel economy here, 14 versus 17. And obviously I put a lot more kilometers on the Ecoboost, but the cost per kilometer is a bit lower. I didn't include any finance charges or anything like that because that's a little too specific, I think. But you can see that the amount of depreciation, and if you would have bought new, how much more it would cost to own. And if you want to see how much I've made through work with this truck, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a breakdown of that in my next video. Check out my channel or the links below to see more on the F-150 and the Duratrax.